Well, I'm showing you this video to show you how far phishing pages have been developed to look exactly like the original, such as Netflix or Facebook. So let's dive in. To run the tool from the terminal, type sudo python bitb.py, which is a framework. Then choose Facebook, number one, then traditional login, number one. And this is traditional login depending on port 1818. We use Cloudflare to tunnel the connection so it works outside the local network. Now the link has been generated on localhost, and then just we will take it copy and go to Pregala. That tool is Cloudflare framework. The command you need to run it, Cloudflare tunnel dash dash URL, and paste the localhost on port 1818 that we copied from the first terminal. And now it's time to masking the URL. The generated link looks suspicious. To fix this, we use dit stick bread mask. You're gonna find this project on GitHub. Select template number 2 and then target URL. Paste the repo link that we copied from the first terminal on port 1818. Select the platform and wait for the result. Let's take the generated link, copy, and then paste it in the victim's device. On the victim's device, the page is a perfect clone. Once they log in, their username and password appears instantly in the terminal. This applies to Netflix option 5s. It's identical to the original. No suspicious. This is how advanced phishing attack works. Always verify the source before you click any website or enter your information. This video for educational purposes. Do not use this for any illegal activity.